Have you ever found yourself reading the same line over and over again, or zoning out during a meeting? That's your brain asking for a little rest. In some way, active thinking is like running a marathon. Just like our legs need a break from running, our brains need a break from continuous focus and engagement. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has been gaining a lot of traction. We're talking about brain breaks. Let's get into it. The concept of a brain break is very simple to understand, but there are different ways to apply it that are personal to everyone. A brain break is simply a short mental break taken during regular intervals while working or studying. Brain breaks are rooted in the science of how our brains function. See, when we enter deep focus, our brain uses up chemicals like dopamine, which helps us pay attention. Continuous work can also stress the brain, especially the prefrontal cortex, which handles critical thinking. Taking a short break replenishes these chemicals and gives the prefrontal cortex a rest. Imagine your brain is a busy worker at the office. Brain breaks would be these short recesses or coffee breaks. When you are taking a brain break, you are giving your brain a chance to rest, just like how the worker takes a moment to stretch, grab a snack, or chat with a colleague. So, how often should you take these breaks? Well, it depends. Some experts suggest the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and focus on something 20 feet away. This is particularly helpful for those of us glued to screens all day. Others prefer the Pomodoro Technique, which basically consists in working or studying intensely for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. What you do during these breaks also matters. Simply scrolling through your phone might not be the most refreshing choice. The best activities are those that change the pace and include some physical activity, like stretching, doodling, or going for a quick walk. This is because physical activity during these pauses boosts blood flow, giving the brain more oxygen and nutrients. Simply put, the extra blood flow helps wake up the brain and makes thinking clearer. And in case you're thinking, I don't have time for breaks, or I look lazy. Here's the truth. Taking care of your brain isn't lazy, it's smart. And as the saying goes, work smarter, not harder. In the long run, you'll not only have better health, but also be more productive. And that's how brain breaks work in a nutshell. Give them a shot and let us know in the comments how they work out for you. And if you want to learn other tips that help you in the office or the classroom, don't forget to visit our blog at smowltech.net. At Smowltech, we develop a proctoring solution, Smowl, that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to help businesses and educational institutions guarantee integrity under digital and online assessments. We hope this video helped you gain insights into brain breaks. If you liked it, please give us a like and share the video. See you in the next one.